Okay, this question says A and B each have a certain number of apples. Okay, so two persons, let's say person A and person B. Now both of them have some number of apples, okay, but we do not know A has how many and B has how many. All right, so all it says, the question says that A says to B, okay, this A says to B, if you give 30 of your apples, I will have twice as many as left with you. That means A is asking to B, you give me 30 of your apples, and then I will have how much? I will have twice as many as left with you. So I mean two more times, then whatever is left with you, I will have two more times than that one. Okay, then what did B? B replies, if you give me 10. So B in turn is asking, if you give me 10, I will have twice as many as left with you. So B said, if you give me 10 apples, then I will have twice more than whatever is remaining with you. Okay, that is what the question says. So find the number of apples A and B respectively. Okay, so let us solve this question. Okay, so let us assume that let us assume that A have X number of apples. Okay, let A have X number of apples. Okay, and B will have again how many? Y number of apples. Okay, and B have Y number of apples. Okay, and so according to the question, what did it say in the question? According to the question, it says that A is asking, according to the question, okay, A, he asked to B how many apples. He said give me how many? He said give me 30 apples. So according to the question, we get, okay, X plus 30, right? Because A says to B, give me 30 apples. So if A gets 30 apples, that means A is having how many? He's having X apples. So if he get 30 apples, that means you have to plus 30 to whatever A is having, right? So X plus 30. And then he says how many he will have? Twice whatever you have. Okay, so twice of whatever left with B. So how much apples have? How many? He has Y, right? B has Y number of apples. Okay, and what is left with you? That means from what the total number of apples that B has, if you have to remove how many? You have to remove 30, right? You have to minus 30 because 30 has given to A. So then this will be the number of apples that is left with B, right? If we remove 30, so it will be twice whatever is left. So twice Y minus 30. Okay, so this is what we get from the first case, or from the first part of the question. Then we'll get X plus 30 is equal to 2Y minus 2 into 30 will be 60. Okay, so let's solve this. So we can still solve this one. You will get X is equal to 2Y minus, so 60, take 30 to the right hand side also will become, when you take 30 to the right side, it will become minus 30 again. So minus 60 and minus 30. Okay, so X will be equal to 2Y minus 90. Okay, 2Y minus 90. So let this be equation number 1. Okay, and now second case. Okay, the second case, he says what? Then B says to A, give me 10 and I will have twice as many as left with you. Okay, so who's asking now? B is asking, right? Give me 10. So B, number of apples is Y. So to whatever B is having, how many? If we add, he'll get 10 from A. So how many? What we'll do? We have to add plus 10. So Y plus 10 will be equal to 2 into X. Whatever is left from X. How do we get whatever is left of X? X minus 10. If we take away 10, because 10 he has given to A, right? So that means if we take away X minus 10, we take away 10, that means it will be the remaining, right, of whatever B is having. So 2X minus 10. Okay, so this will be Y plus 10 is equal to 2X minus 20. Okay, so y is equal to 2x minus 20, and then take plus 10 to the right side, become minus 10, so it will be minus 30, right? So this will be my equation number 2. Okay, so let's use the value of x. Let's put this value of x from equation 1 in equation 2. Okay, so we'll write substituting or putting value of x in equation 2. Okay, in this equation 2, what will we get? So it will be y is equal to twice x. No, so what is twice x? Twice x will be 2y minus 90, right? 2y minus 90 minus 30. Okay, this is the value of x. No, value of x in equation 2. Values of x is 2y minus 90, right? From equation 1 we got 2y minus 90, so we'll put this in equation 2. Okay, so here you will get y is equal to 2 into 2y will be 4y minus 2 into 90 will be 180 minus 30. So y minus 4y is equal to minus 180 minus 30 will be minus 210. Okay, so y minus 4y will be minus y is equal to minus, okay, y minus 4y will be minus 3y, right? This one will be minus 3y is equal to minus 210. Okay, so y will be equal to minus 210 over minus 3. So minus minus cancel. So here you will get 70. Okay, so put value of y. So putting y in equation number 2. So how much you'll get? Y is equal to 2 of, in equation, we'll put in equation 1, sorry, in equation number 1. Okay, in equation number 1 we will put. So let's put in equation 1. So it'll be x is equal to 2 into 70 minus 90. So this will be equal to 140 minus 90. So this will give me 50. Okay.